If you're planning to buy a new bike in the next few months, don't rush. The second half of 2026 is packed with exciting launches, but not every upcoming bike deserves the hype. Today, we'll look at 5 motorcycles that could change the Indian market, and at the end, I'll reveal the one bike that almost nobody is talking about. Let's start with the Yamaha R2. It's expected to be one of Yamaha's most exciting launches, with an expected price around 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees if it arrives in India. But here's the catch. Yamaha has a history of premium pricing. So the real question isn't whether the bike will be good. It's whether enough people will actually be able to afford it. But the next bike could create an even bigger headache for Royal Enfield. Triumph is expected to expand its affordable modern classic lineup, and many enthusiasts are waiting for the Bonneville-inspired model. But here's something interesting. Triumph has already increased prices on its existing 350 cubic centimeter range for the second time this year. If this pricing trend continues, the upcoming retro model could be more expensive than many buyers expect. Now, let's move to the bike that could completely shake up the adventure segment. The Hero Xpulse 421 has been spotted testing again in Ladakh, which usually means development is reaching its final stages. This isn't just another Xpulse. Hero is aiming directly at the Himalayan 450 segment. If Hero gets 3 things right, engine performance, suspension and pricing, this could become one of the biggest launches of 2026. But if the price climbs too high, buyers may simply stick with the Himalayan. The next bike is one that almost everyone has forgotten about. TVS is expected to bring the RTSX concept closer to production. Unlike a traditional street bike, this super moto-style machine could offer something completely different for Indian riders. It won't sell in huge numbers, but it could become one of the most exciting motorcycles for enthusiasts. While everyone is focused on premium motorcycles, Bajaj is quietly preparing a new generation of motorcycles, including updates to its Pulsar family. These bikes may not create the biggest headlines, but they could become the biggest sellers simply because they target the mass market. Now, for the bonus bike, very few people are talking about the upcoming Bajaj Adventure motorcycle. If Bajaj prices it aggressively, it could attract riders who want an adventure bike without spending premium money. This is the one motorcycle I'll be watching closely over the coming months. So, if you had to choose just one, which bike would you wait for? The Xpulse 421, Yamaha R2, Triumph's retro model, or Bajaj's surprise adventure bike? Comment your pick below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Gears and Pistons because we'll cover every major launch as soon as it happens.